Hey guys, what's up? What do you think about the footage from new drone DJI Air 3? And I think this drone is pretty good. It has two camera and two lenses, and then you can capturing another perspective, not only wide lens. And then yeah, it's gonna be great for your footage, and then it's more dynamic. And this project is not mine. This belong to someone else that working with DJI. But I met them in somewhere in Banyuwangi, and then I offering them my help to shoot, and in return I asking for the footage so that I can edit for myself. And then yeah, I think this drone is pretty good, and I don't want to talk about the specs. I think you guys already watched a lot of video about the this spec of the drone. And yeah, I think that's it, and thank you so much for your time to watch my videos. And then yeah, I'll catch you in the next one, guys, and peace.